the last week of February 24th, 2025. Seeing he's here 2038, coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Well, Canadian National Superior Submain Milepost 352.68 northbound on the way, after allowing one to show up to go on to the Baron. Check him on the road, swing back and get him. 3269 again. Let's go to sand load. Nicely here. The S775 head up to East Edmonton, Alberta via CPKC. This is actually S773, which I doubt that. Yeah, I got a feeling this is 773 really. Here's last minute route DPUs that will head up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. See what's DPU on it. How about that? The return of the C6 rebuild of the 3361. Go through that.